Oh, let me see. Well, I was gonna show everyone a big boy. Oh, he was a big boy. Hey. Ooh. And there's Maria. Hey, honey, was she doing too? There's you and your brother. Oh, you little big girl. What's it like being so big all the time, huh? What's that like? It's hard to roll back over sometimes. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Where are you going? Ooh. Hey, buddy. You big boy. You big boy. Boop. Yeah, you big boy. Hello. This is Nova. She's a big piggy. She's trying to catch up to her big, to her big sister Eden. That's her big sister right there with the big old belly on her. There we go. Oh, we're walking. Wobbly walking. Yeah, we're wobbly walking. Where you going, honey? Where you going?